Everyone, welcome back to Learn Java with Techie channel. My name is Vivek Suryan. In this video, we are going to see how to find the maximum of the three given numbers. We have a problem statement for given three input numbers x, y, and z. We have to find which is the maximum number of all. Let's take an example. So here we have x equal to 8, y equal to 5, and z equal to 10. So here 10 is greater than 8 and 5. So we are going to print 10 as the output. Let's start implementing it. So I have created a class called maximum. Let me initialize the value for all the variables. X equal to 8, y equal to 5, z equals to 10. So in the first approach, we are going to use a simple if-else strategy to compare each and every value, and we are going to print it. So in the first if, I'm going to check whether if x is greater than y and x is greater than z. So in this scenario, I'm going to print x as the greatest element. So I'm repeating again. So here x I'm going to compare with y. So if x is greater than y and x is greater than z, I'm going to print x value. So if that condition doesn't satisfy, I'm going to move to else if condition. So in this, I'm going to check if y is greater than z. So in this, I'm going to print y as the maximum element. So if both the condition doesn't satisfy, I'm going to print z as the maximum element. I forgot to add semicolon here. So let's run this program. Yes, we got the output. So 10 is the maximum. So what if I don't want to implement it the old way of using if else and if else if, like nested if else or if else if else, so without any conditional operation? So how to check? So there is another way. We have something called math.max. It's going to again return an integer. So I'm going to check whether, so it's going to return the maximum value between these two. I will try to print it out for your better understanding. So here the output should be 8. So we found out which is the maximum value between 8 and 5. So once we found out which is the maximum value between 8 and 5, we are going to use another nested math.max to find the value between x, y and z. So here already we found the maximum value of x and y. We are going to use one more math.max, and we are going to use z here. So this is single line code which will work perfect. Yes, we got the desired output. So I'm explaining again. So first in this math.max, it's going to return you the maximum value of these two integers. So here the maximum value is 8. So again within this math.max, it's going to check the value for 8 and 10, and it's going to return which is the bigger number. So here between 8 and 10, 10 is the bigger, so it's going to return 10. I hope everyone understood. If you guys have any doubt, please comment in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. So one more thing I forgot to mention. So this can be used for finding the maximum between two numbers. And if you want to find the maximum between 4 numbers also, this will work. The only thing you have to do is, like, again, you have to use inner math.max here. So you can use this math.max in nested to find any number of, like, any number in the sense like certainty, does like countable values. So those values can be found using this way. Thanks everyone.